I just got a call from a gentleman that has his BMW stuck on the beach, and the first thing out of his mouth was, well, I want my BMW pulled out, but if you damage it, you'll have to pay for the damages. I really wanted to say, hey, Billy Bob, we got a BMW. I wanted to pull one of them BMWs out, but I didn't. But I did tell him if his expectation was we were going to damage his vehicle, maybe I shouldn't just not tow it and he could call somebody else. And he said, well, I know I need my car towed. I said, well, I understand that, but you're calling me up and already laying on the expectation it's going to get damaged. If your car gets damaged, it's going to get damaged because you did something wrong, not because I did something wrong. So I will make sure to record this tow, and if he does something wrong, that'll be on him, not me. I just don't understand people sometimes. Anyways, Rod Run weekend. We got cars going in every possible direction. I've already sent, Randy went out of town this morning. Frankie's been to Astoria, and Randy got back. We went on a wreck. Now he's pulling a 1929 Model A that they couldn't get it running. I'll go down and get this BMW off the beach, and we'll see how that goes. That'll be fun. I only want to tow one of them there BMWs. What do you hook onto? The windshield wipers? Because I'm pulling up high like this, you gotta keep this rope tight. If you run this rope, this chain is gonna go underneath there, it's gonna tear your whole front bumper off. Okay. That's on you. Don't run over this rope. When we get down here on the hard stuff, you gotta just gently just kind of ride your brakes a bit. Roll up on top of that rope, okay? Okay. Now once you put it in neutral, and make sure the brakes are off, we'll pull you right out. Okay, brakes are off. Hey. I'm going to go real slow. Let me take you down where one of those birds are at, way down there. have to keep the rope tight. You're going to tear your whole front bumper off. That's the rope. That's the pipe. I told you to keep the rope tight, right? You're going over it. Tear the whole front bumper off. I got a rope on you. Doesn't do any good to turn around and go that way. I hooked on you with a rope. You're lucky you didn't turn it. You started to run over with your tire, and I forward trying to keep the rope from going underneath your tire. Man, you lucked out. Lucky he didn't tear his whole bumper off. I told him we had to keep the rope tight. His comment to me was, well, I didn't know which way I was supposed to turn. I'm like, well, I said, I got a rope on you. So common sense would tell you, you got to follow me. Doesn't do any good to turn around and go the other way when I'm hooked onto the rope. I saw him start to run over the rope. And so I goosed it and tried to get the rope away from him. And I lucked out. Instead of running over it with his tire and ripping it out, I got enough of a loop out from underneath him that he didn't end up driving over it and tearing his car up. But boy, it could have been ugly. And I explained to him before we ever did it that you gotta keep that rope tight. That's the problem with those tow hooks like that. They're so high on the bumpers, if the people run over the chains with the front tires, it'll just absolutely rip the whole hook and everything right out of the impact bars. You got to really explain to people, and that's why I was pulling him so slow and I didn't have him driving, was I just wanted to ease him out, get him down the hard sand, and then he just kept rolling into it. And you can't do much more than tell someone to keep the rope tight. At that point, I can't explain tight any better than tight. He didn't get it.